Welcome back, coffee lovers. Today we're making a refreshing mint-iced Americano that's perfect for warm days and coffee cravings. This simple recipe combines bold espresso, fresh mint leaves, ice, and cold water to create a crisp and invigorating drink. It's easy to make, incredibly refreshing, and tastes like something straight from your favorite coffee shop. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 shots espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 8-10 fresh mint leaves, 1 cup cold water, 1 cup ice cubes, 1-2 teaspoons simple syrup or honey. Fresh mint sprig for garnish directions. Start by gently muddling the fresh mint leaves in the bottom of a tall glass. This helps release the mint's natural oils and refreshing aroma. If you prefer a sweeter drink, add simple syrup or honey and stir well with the mint. Fill the glass with plenty of ice cubes. Pour the cold water over the ice, allowing it to chill the mixture thoroughly. Next, brew 2 fresh shots of espresso. Slowly pour the espresso over the ice water mixture. This creates a beautiful layered effect and helps preserve the bold coffee flavor. Stir gently to combine all the ingredients. Taste the drink and adjust sweetness if desired. Add more mint leaves for a stronger mint flavor or extra ice for an even colder beverage. Garnish with a fresh mint sprig and serve immediately. The combination of rich espresso and cooling mint creates a balanced, refreshing coffee drink that's perfect for mornings, afternoons, or any time you need an energizing pick-me-up. Enjoy your homemade mint-iced Americano. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this refreshing mint-iced Americano recipe. If you try it at home, let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious coffee recipes and easy drink ideas. Stay cool, stay energized, and we'll see you in the next video. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.